What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. I am finally back home. As you guys already know, I was at work, I was at my school for 2 weeks, but we are now back on track, ready to go. I actually already shot the intro for this video, but I forgot my my chip at the school, and I can no longer retrieve it. So I bought a new one and I gotta reshoot the intro, but all the footage that I shot for the video was in my iPhone, or is in my iPhone, so that didn't get lost, thank God. So without further ado, today we are installing a freaking diffuser on my car, a new one, and hopefully it turns out good, and we're gonna show you guys all the stuff and how it turns out. Also, thank you guys so much for the support in the previous 2 videos. I know it was kind of hard for me to, you know, come up with stuff because I was at school and stuff. Without further ado, thank you guys so much. Make sure to click that like button. Thank you guys so much for the support, and thank you on Instagram, all the people on Instagram. If you guys haven't followed me at Bedistinct_, go ahead. I follow you guys back, and it's great to meet more people. So thank you guys so much for the support, guys. So here's the diffuser I got. You see, it's a little beat up. There's here. I'm gonna sand it down, fill it up, and then repair this whole thing. The only thing I can't repair is this right here. There's just no way repairing that. You can't really see it anyway, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, make it a little better. But besides that, there's really no fixing about that. And the other part was right here. You guys can see it's like, so we're gonna try to see what we can do. Maybe put some tape or something, and then like spray paint it over, make it look all nice and whatever. But like I said, this was really cheap. These really go retail like $500, $600, and I got it like for 20% of its price, 10% of its price. That thing pulls, man. I think that thing has more torque than my G35, honestly. Go, 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 step on. Oh! These right here. So it has these brackets on, which go like, but what was going on is that these brackets were not reaching up here, and we couldn't do it. So what we gotta improvise here, because this thing was made to fit a 350Z. I know the 350Z is very similar to the G35, but we still gotta make some custom adjustments. And so we're gonna use these brackets that came with the diffuser, right? These, I'm gonna use these, but as far as the side ones, we're gonna drill on this little thing right here, this little wing right here. We're gonna drill a self-topping screw. The brackets weren't fitting, so we gotta make some custom adjustments. And that's what's gonna happen so far. So I'll keep you guys updated, but so far that's what we're gonna do, and I'll let you know if there's any changes. So alright guys, so here's like an overview of what it's looking like right now. We're still trying to adjust the brackets in the back. So here's what we did. You got a bracket right there, you guys can see it hopefully. Right there, that bracket, you gotta centralize it in the bumper. Once you get that done, you screw this. You wanna jack so it holds the thing and you guys can better play with it and stuff. Right now he's cutting the L bracket because it's too long. The brackets were a different size. And that's some people expect it to fit, and then they leave 1-star review, which I hate. You know, you gotta work with it. So this is what happened. Here on the side, we put self-topping screws right here, 1 and then 2, and same on the other side. Screws, and then here in the back, we got this bracket here that we actually mounted to this screw. So this screw already had a what do you call it, like a washer right here. So we took this one off, mounted this on top, and then put it back on. That's all we did. Then we made a hole here and, you know, mounted this. So this is, you know, real sturdy. This thing ain't gonna move nowhere, at least this side so far. Now this side right here, I don't know if I should cut it here because it's hitting the exhaust right here. But this one, it's gonna be mounted to that screw over there. It's gonna be mounted to that screw right there. So we gotta, we're fitting it, we gotta flatten it, and it was too long, so it was like sticking out like this much. So we gotta cut it so it bolts on right here. And besides that, we're just gonna put the self-topping screws on the other side, and everything else should be fine, and then we should have our final results, which I will show you guys later in the video. So that's basically it. Like I said, we did take out the brackets that went on like on the side here, which are those right there. We took them off because, you know, they were we found ourselves they were not fitting. We had to bend them in a way, and it wasn't working well with us, so we just put those self-topping screws. Worked very easy, and they look very sturdy and should work. So besides that, I'll show you guys the final result later. All right, guys, so we just finished the final product, lady. This dude's gonna look sexy, bro. Final product right now, once we take out the car, but I want to show you in action. He's gonna remove the car from the ramps, and so you guys can get a better look. See if it doesn't hit the ramp. Uy, wow. Ya dale, ya sácalo. Se resbaló de la rampa por la feo. But anyways, it slipped off the ramps, but that's the final. Nice. Oh. So it didn't scrape, so that's good. That's good. We didn't want any more scraper mods. So scraper mods. Sick. I got new markers, by the way. New markers coming soon. Another video. New markers. So still got that to do. Oof, that looks super nice, man. Super nice, bro. Super nice. Shout out to the guy who sold it to me, bro. Super nice. Hey. I need a freaking ducktail trunk, bro. I need a ducktail trunk, bro. Coming soon, bro. I need one. Guys, so there you have it, guys. That was the I watched it from also, I think his name's Steezy something. He called it the Ghetto Diffuser, but it definitely looks great. Besides that, thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys stayed to the end, so I want to go to WECFest. There's one here in San Jose that's actually tomorrow, but I won't be going to that one. But I will be flying out to Los Angeles and going to WECFest, the one in LA, with my cousin, and get you guys some sick footage. But besides that, this is the diffuser right here, y'all. This is a diffuser. I found it online on Facebook for really cheap from this guy, like I said. I'm gonna tag his Instagram right there if you guys want to go follow him. He has an awesome 350Z, and the color is way better than mine. And so yeah, the video. I'll catch you guys next video, and peace out, amigos.